Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are doing super well today. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be testing out this foundation for you guys. This is from Maybelline. It's not a new foundation. It's been around for a very long time, but I haven't actually used this particular one before. This is a Maybelline Dream Radiant Liquid Foundation. It claims to be hydrating. It has hyaluronic acid and collagen. So we are going to see how this is going to work for my skin, because I'm still having issues trying to find the right foundation to match my skin. I have no idea what's going on with my skin, but it's a problem trying to find the right foundation. Now, I had done a review on the Fenty Beauty 400 foundation powder Jade a Day, but I realized that this Fenty Beauty 400 powder foundation is too dark for my skin. I will definitely have to go down a shade, because you know our skin changes all the time from season to season, and only because I have not been on YouTube for 6 months, I was just doing my regular facial routine, was not wearing any makeup, so of course my skin had a chance to really breathe and relax, and all of the my skincare products really worked on my skin. So it's really difficult still to find proper foundations to match my skin. Now that when you go into stores, you can do any skin match because of the lockdown and because of social distancing. So we just have to assume that a color is going to match. But one of the things that I really don't want to do is to keep wasting money buying foundations that does not match my skin. The Fenty Beauty 400 foundation is fine. I can probably use that in in the outskirts of my face or something like that. But to use this on my full face is not going to happen, especially in the summertime, because when you put on foundations that's a little darker for your skin, when you get into the sun, you get much darker, and I really don't want to do that. So let's just get right into the video. My face is already prepped. My eyes are already done. I kept that really simple. Everything that I use on my face is going to be listed below for you guys. And so we are going to start. It has a pump, which I like, because the pump really helps you to reserve your foundation. I think I'm just going to shake that up a little bit. And by the way, someone was asking about this spray that I put on my face before my foundation. It's from Caudalie, and this is a beauty elixir. It's going to be listed in the description box for you guys. I had a couple of DMs about this. Somebody was looking at my old videos and they saw that I sprayed this on my face. It's going to be listed below. It's Caudalie, and it's called the Beauty Elixir. Okay, check the description box and you're gonna see it there. I am just going to take my brush and put a little bit of this foundation on there, and we're just going to start blending. Again, this shade is in Caramel, and that doesn't look too bad. Let's just keep blending. It has this slight smell to it, but it's not too bad. So this foundation blended right into my skin. It doesn't look like it's a full coverage foundation, because I can still see my skin imperfections on them. And I'm not going to go in with any more foundation at all on my skin, because I really don't like to go in with too much on my skin anyways. I'm not quite sure how this is looking. If you guys are watching this right now, I'm not quite sure how this looks, but like I said, from where I'm sitting, it looks really good. Now let me go in with a concealer. This is, where is this one from? This is from Rimmel, and this is the Instant Anti-Age Eraser Concealer. So let me just pump that up a little bit. I'm not quite sure if this is going to fit my skin, and it seems like it's a little bit dark, but we're just going to blend that out. I don't like doing a lot of concealing on my face at all. I really don't. And I think as I'm getting older, I want to be able to put less things on my face. So we're just going to blend this out quickly. And I'm just going to use my Face Italia powder. And I'm just going to set that in right away. I love this powder. I've had this powder for years, and it still works. And I'm not giving it up. So I'm just going to blend this in right now. So this looks a little highlighted. I don't want to go in with too much of this stuff on my face. And now let me use my MAC NW45 powder and powder my face to see if I can balance the concealer out a little bit. Where's my powder brush? There we go. I know you guys must be saying, you know what, Odette, you really need to up your game with your makeup collection because you are so outdated. I love this powder. You see, I'm hitting pan. Look at that. I don't keep up with anybody else. I just do what works on my skin. Okay? So there we go. So that doesn't look too bad. I really love the way this is looking. And I'm just going to keep it really, really simple now. I'm just going to go in with a little bit of color on my cheeks. This is from Shein and I love this. And it gives you such a nice subtle look on your cheeks. It's just so lovely. And this is one of those brushes that came with the Sephora Cosmetics, which I did not like at all. But I love the brush. Look at the, ooh, 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 look at that. Do you see that? Oh my God, I love that. This is probably a little bit too much for me, but I'm just going to powder that down. And I love the way that looks on my cheeks. Very nice. So there we go. The foundation does not look too bad at all. I don't like to have that looking too bright on my face. That looks really good. Let's do something really simple with the lips. I'm just going to use this lip gloss from Juvia's Place. And I'm just going to use like a regular lip liner. This is Mahogany. Let me put this on. I'm just going to use my lip balm from Juvia's Place. This is in Peppermint. You have to get some of these lip balms. Oh my God, you must have that in your collection. So this is Mahogany lip liner. We're just going to line the lips right now. And let's see if I can see the name of this lip gloss. I don't know what it is. It's on there, but I don't have my glasses on, so I'm going to leave this in the description box for you guys. Now let's just pull that out. Whoa. This is really nice. Seen that? Very pretty. I'm just going to wipe that down because I don't want that going back into the bottle. There we go. And I love the way this is looking. I am going to use my IT Cosmetic Better Than Skin Setting Spray right now. So this doesn't look too bad. So let me just get my hair pulled down and I'll be back in 1 second. Okay guys, so I'm back with the finished look of the makeup. I went off camera just to pull my hair down. Let me give you my thoughts on this foundation. Number one, I love this foundation. It is just perfect for my skin. Number one. Number two, this foundation is giving me a very beautiful warm undertone, which I really like. Love it. And I'm starting to think that maybe my skin is not a red undertone, maybe it is a neutral undertone. And so I love this foundation. I love the naturalness this foundation is giving me right now. Very cool, very warm color, warm tone. Beautiful, beautiful foundation. And of course, you guys know that I don't like to go in with too many things on my face. I kept the eyes really, really simple and the lips as well. Beautiful foundation. And number 3, it's not a full coverage foundation, but of course, you can build this up if you want. I can still see my skin, you know, spots here and there, which is fine by me because, like I said, I don't go in with too many things on my face. Love this foundation. And of course, this foundation will be going into my cosmetic bag as one of those things that I will definitely be reaching for. And I really, really love it. So let me know what you think of this makeup look. Let me know what you think of the foundation. I love this foundation, guys. And I was a little iffy with the shade Caramel because I remember buying the shade Caramel from e.l.f. and that shade was giving me this ashy look. It didn't fit my skin at all. This one fits it perfectly. This is going to be a look you can take to work, you can take to a Valentine's Day look, it can be a simple fall look. It's really, really pretty and I like it. This is the way that I love to do my foundations. And again, this is from Maybelline, the Dream Radiant Liquid Foundation. It's hydrating, hyaluronic acid, and collagen. So of course you've got the things in here that are good for your skin. On that note, this is the end of the video. I thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Odette. Please subscribe before you go. Thumbs up this video, and I shall see you next time. Toodles!